Renders of the OnePlus Open 2 have also surfaced online. Now leaks OPPO Find N5 and it thinner than ever before, with 3D printed titanium hinges and is coming soon. The OPPO Find N3 launched in global markets as the OnePlus Open, so OPPO Find N5 to be a rebranded OnePlus Open 2. OPPO Find N5 clears multiple global certifications, camera FV5 database. According to a leak from a Chinese whistleblower, the device will feature a 6.4-inch external display with 120 Hz refresh rate, while the foldable Find N5 will offer an 8-inch main screen with 2K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. OPPO Find N5 powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The rear camera features a triple rear camera setup, 50-megapixel main sensors, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. For selfies, a dual camera setup with 32MP and 20MP sensors is anticipated. Battery capacity is poised to increase to 5,900 mAh with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. The Find N5 is expected to launch after the Chinese New Year 2025, making February a possible month for release. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.